Hello, I'm Jason from Redcott Leisure, and in this video we're looking at the Vango Tailgate AirHub Low. This is a driveway awning that can be fitted on the side or the rear of the vehicle. So the awning has a large door with a mosquito netting, and you can either open the whole lot or the left hand side or the right hand side. The awning uses Vango's AirBeam technology with a single entry point to inflate the awning. The AirHub has two large picture windows, and the panels can be completely removed if you want to open it all up.